Is it needed to wash and clean the car when returning? We do not expect a professional level detailing before returning the vehicle. However, it is expected to be in the same general condition as when you picked it up. More importantly, the reason is to see any damage that may be hidden from unclean car. That raises an excellent and very important point. While avoiding cleaning fees is a direct and immediate reason, the ability to inspect for damage is indeed a critical underlying reason why a rental car needs to be returned in a reasonably clean condition. A clean car protects both the rental company and the renter. It ensures both parties to properly assess the vehicle, which prevents unexpected charges later. So, while the most visible reason for cleaning is to avoid fees, the more fundamental reason is the necessity of a clear, accurate inspection to assign responsibility for any new damage. Taking lots of pictures is the key.